Batman.
I am Groot.
I'm Batman.
I am Groot.
I'm Batman.
I am Groot.
Oh. I'm thinking we should call that the Grand Prix.
The what?
We should call that the Grand Prix, like the track. Like when we test the go-karts and stuff. The Grand Prix. Be fun. Alright, take off. I love the D-cell pop, it's awesome. Okay, so we've done some mods. Tuned the carb, got it jetted right. That's with the valve springs. And she wanted to see how fast she can go on the Mini Moto. This is a 60 foot, but I don't think she's going to do very well a 60 foot. Get on it. And I can't see her. Well, no longer spring. It's summertime. There she comes. Oh, she's gonna go to the go-kart track. So she wants to go for a different trip in her girly outfit since we've done work to the engine yet again. It's got more stuff to it. And I'm not going to do all of that because there's plenty of YouTube videos on how to change valve springs and all that stuff. So, you ready? Hop in. And wait to like haul butt until I get to the end of the driveway. Because then I can't videotape you. On the gas a little. Okay. Now that I can have the ignition switch on. A little gas. There you go. You're good to go. I said not haul butt yet. Yeah, we had a storm come through, blow all the trees over. Look at all this I get to clean up. Alright, so go down to the end and do a full speed run up here. Let's go. Turning it around, hopefully. Where'd she go? She's going slow. Oh, she's going all the way to the top. Where's she going? Alright, she's scared to drive it fast. She's driving slow.